It's amazing how with very basic ingredients you can make some awesome and delicious breakfast in a matter of minutes. That is flour, milk, sugar, eggs. Yeah. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make some zebra crepes, which are going to be light, a little bit sweet, with a very nice pattern, which is quite catchy, and they're going to turn out so delicious. So grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. For the recipe, you're going to need 7 ingredients. That is your milk, your flour, cocoa powder, eggs, sugar, cooking oil, and salt. So into your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in your dry ingredients. I'm going to add in 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar. You can reduce the amount of sweetness, maybe add in a third cup. But because my kids are going to be enjoying these delicious crepes, I'm going to add in half a cup, which is not a lot. To balance the sweetness, I'm going to add in some salt, and you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon. Whisk the dry ingredients, and this is going to remove lumps in the flour and also make them very light. So next, you're going to be adding in the wet ingredients, and you're going to start off with your milk. For the recipe, you'll be using 2 cups. Crack in 2 eggs, which are at room temperature. One tablespoon of cooking oil. Whisk all the ingredients until you have a smooth batter, and that is going to take around a minute. You can also throw in everything in a blender and blend until smooth. That is going to take around 30 seconds. So now I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of my butter into the jug that had milk. We're trying to have less utensils to wash. This is half a cup, so I'm going to scoop out 3 portions of the butter. And now we are going to be adding in our cocoa powder to make those zebra crepes. So this is a tablespoon. I'm going to whisk in the cocoa powder into the butter until it's fully combined. Check if it's fully mixed up, and once done, you're going to need a squeeze bottle just like this. As you can see, it's quite easy to transfer in the butter. So now you're going to cover, and it's time to cook our delicious zebra crepes. So you're going to place a non-stick pan over medium-low flame. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the pan can heat up. We have our plain butter and our chocolate butter. And I'm going to be using half a cup to scoop out my butter and transfer into the pan. And because we added in a little bit of cooking oil, the crepe is going to easily cook, and for you to flip, it's going to be so easy. Once your pan is nice and hot, you're going to pick your chocolate butter and make a spiral pattern. Then you're going to add in your plain butter. Spread. Because your butter is very light, it's going to be very easy for you to spread the butter on the pan. Then you're going to cook the crepe for around 30 seconds. Once you notice the edges are crisping up, you're going to flip using your spatula. And let me tell you, this looks absolutely gorgeous. Cook the other side for around 30 seconds. Then you're going to transfer to your plates. Looks so gorgeous. And it's looking so good. So I'm going to pick my butter once more and squeeze into the pan. Once your crepe is ready, you're going to start them so that they stay warm. And then you're going to finish off making the rest. You can also engage your kids. And if you're an artist, you can also add in some drawings. So yeah, I'm about to finish making my crepes. This is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes. This is how my zebra crepes are looking, and they're absolutely amazing. They're light, a little bit sweet with a very nice pattern, which is quite catchy. And the best part is you can top up with some whipped cream. You can top up with some whipped cream, chocolate spread, or your favorite sauces. And they're perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even meal prepping. So yeah, get cooking.